Hey, what's up, fellow collectors? Let's talk about a penny that you can find in your pocket change that could be worth around $2,000. That penny is the 1955 double die Lincoln cent. Now, the 1955 double die Lincoln cent is a one-of-a-kind coin because it's a double image due to misalignment in the minting process to create the double die error. If you are unaware of what a double die is, then check out my video called Double Die Errors. Factories released around 20,000 of these, so there is a fair amount of them out there. And most of them came from cigarette vending machines in 1955 and 56 that distributed them as change. The doubled exposure is more prominent on the letters of the coin and the numbers featured on this penny, and the bust of Lincoln is really unaffected by the double die. If you find a 1955 double die penny, it could be worth around $1,800 to $2,000. Although in the last couple of years, someone bought the most famous version of this error coin, but of course this one's in a higher grade, actually being the finest example known to exist. It was a very rare MS65 Plus red 1955 penny, and it sold for $124,875 at a Great Collections auction in 2020. Again, that was the finest known example of this US coin error, so the likelihood of finding one in that high of grade is pretty slim for you. But there are ones that have been found in pocket change, one being found in 2018 that was in a lower grade, but was the third highest price ever garnered for one, which was $62,100. It's an absolutely beautiful coin. Check out the photos here in this video and let me know what you think of the 1955 double die penny in the comments below. We'll talk about it there, and I will see you guys in the next video.